What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Juco the Don, and I'm finally back with another video, man. We finna start out December right, man. You know, it is Vlogmas right now, as y'all can see by the title. Wait, before I even hop in the video, man, I'm gonna ask y'all to do two little favors, bro. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, turn on the post notifications because I am trying to hit 5,000 subscribers. Road to 5K. Camera died. But come out of that in the back. That's all my clothes. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is a hair tie. I just used this. I don't know where my other hair ties is. I lost all my other hair ties. But yeah, the first thing you'll need is this. Let me face y'all. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need this hair tie for. So this is not how my hair will obviously look when I first wake up. This is like probably like 10% of like the day, probably not even a day. I take my hair down probably like 4 times a week. I barely take my hair down because this is how your hair will actually look every day. Only reason I take my hair down is because I'll be doing TikToks and stuff. But to actually, I'm not supposed to be doing that, to be honest. But this is how your hair will look like most likely every day. If you want to actually have your stuff grow right, it's gonna start growing up, and then it's gonna just shoot out. That's how you get your hair standing up and sticking out. Me as a person, I just wanted my hair like that. And some people on my Instagram want their stuff like that too. So that's basically what you gotta do to get your hair basically like this. But to maintain it, you would need where is it? Hold on, y'all. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So this is what you will need. You will need a bonnet so you can tie up, put your hair up like this. This is how you go to sleep at night if you want your hair like this. It's like you're gonna have to have a silk bonnet because silk don't tear out your hair. Anything cotton, if y'all don't know this, anything cotton, what else stuff is made out of? Anything but silk would tear your hair out. So you would need a silk bonnet so you can go to sleep at night. So yeah, that's basically what you have to do to get your hair exactly like mine. It's very simple and everything. It's not very complicated to get your hair exactly like mine. And what else do I do to get my hair like this? All right, so what else you need to do, as y'all can see with my hair, I have a front taper. So basically what happened with my hair, why I got like a front taper kind of. When I was like 14, I used to get my front hairline tapered and everything like that, like everybody else. And when I turned, I think 16, I started putting my hair up. I wanted FreeForms. This is how they used to look at that time. It used to look like this, and then I saw FreeForms on TikTok. It was starting to go viral, so I wanted FreeForms. So at that point in time, I started like putting my hair up and then washing my hair and letting it air dry, and then it used to look like this. And yeah, that's how you get the front taper. And then what you gotta do, you gotta pick your hair out, like pick the front taper out. And then I start putting my hair in 2-strand twists. This is how it used to look at first. I was like, dang, I wanna be like King Von. King Von was my favorite rapper, bro. So I told my mom I wanted to get my hair dyed. Because at that point in time, nobody was like having this how it looked. And I 2-strand twisted. I never retwisted my hair, I never took it out. But when I took it out, this one time it looked like this. And then after I took it out like that, it looked like that. And I didn't like it like that. Girls liked it and everything, but I didn't like it like that at that moment. Even though I got it like this right now, it's because I don't remember how I had it in my other way. Like if this was like my prime, this right here was my prime. When I had all the females love my hair, everybody asking me how to get my hair like that. All right, so boom, so I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more rundown on what to do. Basically, you put your hair in the bun, you get a taper, but you let it grow out. You pick it out. What else? Twin. So what else you do? You keep your hair in a bun like this all day, every day, any time of the day, and then your hair is gonna look like this. Your hair is gonna look like this. And then you sleep with this on it every day. And yeah, you don't oil your hair. Don't oil your hair. Don't wet your hair. Don't do none of that. Wetting your hair is the biggest no-no. Oiling your hair is the biggest no-no. Keep your hair dry. That's how you let your hair grow faster. I learned that the more dandruff in your hair, for me personally, it's not to oil it or anything. It's to keep it dry. And then, yeah, it's gonna grow like this. Oh, at one point I did cut my hair. I reattached it too. That's another way thing. I just put that in because I did make a video because I cut my hair off for like 2 weeks and then I reattached the picture. But yeah, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah. That's basically how you get your hair like this. It's a freeform tutorial. But if y'all want a journey video where I can actually show y'all like pictures, like the whole journey of my hair to get it exactly like this, put it in the comments below. If you made it this far, put orange in the comment section. For people that didn't make this far, they're gonna get confused and stuff. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And Juco the Don is out. Peace. T-shirts. Damn, this place really don't have nothing. This place don't have nothing at all, bro. What the fuck? What is this? What is this? People actually wear this. Yeah. But yeah. This is the kids stuff. Let's go with it's empty. I'm looking for a sweater. I'm not looking for anything else but a sweater. I think that's where the sweaters will be. I'm gonna go over there, make my way over there. This is cool. This is big. What size this is? I don't know what size. This looks big. What does it say? I like this. I know I might cop this. Might be the only thing I might get too. I'm finna try it on. Yeah, I'm finna try this on. YouTube, I got the piece.
You have a phone number with us, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. It's $7.90.
Okay.
Yeah, it's asking, would you like to donate 10 cents?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
But if I take it right now, you're gonna be a camera away. So you open the already? You just get
Your sign, please.
Follow my Instagram right here. I have been blowing up on my Instagram lately, so if y'all want to keep in touch with me, follow my Instagram. Twin, no kizzy, no cap.